Good. Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Trading Bitcoin with your host Tom Vase. I gotta run off in about 15 minutes to go teach and set up for the workshop. So this has to be a quick one by default. And let's take a look. It's about a little after 8 a.m. in New Zealand. So I think it's about 2 in the afternoon on the east coast of the US. Europe's probably sleeping, so they'll be waking up soon. All right. Let's check this out. So let's go straight to screen share. Let's take a look at the website of the Unconfiscatable conference. We're holding off poker registrations for now. If you are a celebrity, reach out to me and we will register you internally. I got about 40 seats left for celebrities. If they don't fill up in the next couple of weeks, we'll open it up to the public for a few more seats. 3 tickets left for 0.1 entry to the conference itself. Once these 3 tickets get sold, prices go up by 50%. So we will go to 0.15 and 750 on the USD side, and 5 tickets left for the VIP passes. Let's take a quick look at my homepage and the workshops. We got 15 seats in Aruba. Too late to sign up for today's workshop here in Oakland. 4 seats left in Tampa, and then Phoenix, and of course, Las Vegas. I don't have any details for Las Vegas yet. It will be more of an advanced workshop. It'll be a little bit different. I'll keep you guys posted. All right. And indicator, those that are interested, if you're seeing these weird numbers above and below the candles, please check out the page that says indicator. And all the details are here. Read them over, read the frequently asked questions and stuff like that. Okay. And if you want to learn more about it, just go over here, Education, Learn Trading. And it's all about, there it is. It's all described in section 6, because I assume you're already an expert at sections 1 to 5. All right, let's talk about the charts. Here is the monthly chart. The monthly chart looks a little bit better today than it did. Actually, no, wait, it doesn't look better today than it did yesterday because it looks the same. And I did this video yesterday afternoon. And yeah, I would like to see this higher. Because the month is over, so it's not going to change. So the new month has started, but this thing updates once a day, so I have to wait. So it's useless. Okay. A nice green candle. Yesterday we were working on this being a red candle. Today it's a green candle. Like today is a very critical day. The next the next 7 to 8 hours are actually really, really important. I know this may seem arbitrary, but it's not. It's really not. This is a really nice set of volume this week. And we are closing back above setup trend line. I mean, closing back above setup trend line doesn't actually mean anything. We broke below setup trend line. I want to see a nice green candle. I want to see the shadow at the top to be smaller than the shadow at the bottom. I want to see us get back to the blue line on the pullback. And now that we're back to 4,200, I am fully bullish again. I left my bullish trade on. One of the most important things to a trader is patience. If you can't be patient as a trader, you're in the wrong business. And as you can see, here is my entry line for a good trade off of a reversal candle. We never touched that line. I understand this is a single exchange, and your exchange could have wreaked havoc with your trade. But again, I come here from the traditional trading space, and there's no such thing as 18 different exchanges with 18 different prices. That doesn't exist, okay? So, which is why my trades account for this. And I remain long. We'll find out on Monday when GBTC opens how my trade's doing. But I think my trade will do great. I really think this is going to break out to 5,000. I remain bullish. Beautiful reversal candle. We did go below this green line on the 12-hour chart. The 12-hour chart went bearish yesterday, and now it's fully bullish again. You're going to have a price flip soon. Next candle in 4 hours on a 12-hour. Once we break above this line, is the same as breaking above this line. Look at what happened once we broke this line back on the 18th of November. We went from 4,000 all the way to 4,500. I think if we can break this line, I think if we can break and close about 4,400, we'll just immediately bounce up and go to 5,000. Very nice candle right here. Right after I did my video yesterday, we pretty much broke out. I said in my yesterday's video that I remained bullish here with my trade. It wasn't looking as great, but it was good enough for me to keep my bullish trade. If you were in a short trade, you should be out of that trade already. Your short trade should have hit your stop loss. I was not. I would have been a little less comfortable with the short trade. I preferred the long trade here, and I'm staying with my long trade. I took out a fraction of profit right here at the high on GBTC, and I'm gonna take out more at the next high, and I'll see where that is. Oh wow, beautiful 9 right at the high on the sequential on the hourly chart. Great 3 going above a 2 for your entry on the hourly chart, and beautiful exit right here, right at setup trend line. Beautiful entry at setup trend line. The setup trend line is the very top of this candle right here, the very top of this one candle. Beautiful 1 to 4 candle correction. Looks like this correction is coming to an end around now. We're back to 42.13 on Bitstamp. Just gotta wait for it to get back above a 9. So if I get my green line back, the moment we can get back above this line, right? So honestly, I would love another hour of consolidation. Get me a red 1 and then another small candle on a green 1 and then a green 2 going above a green 1 above this green line. That would be a beautiful bullish trade on the hourly chart. Let it break setup trend, and then we should bust out to 4,500 and beyond. What is this? That's a 10-minute chart. It doesn't really, I'm gonna use it for my workshop and stuff. Nothing interesting. GBTC is closed. Nothing interesting. GBTC is not trading till Monday. Ethereum, I don't care. S&P 500 is closed. And that's it, guys, because the stock market is closed. So I'm done. Let me glance at your live chat. All right. Anything interesting going on here? Any tipped questions? Here we go. From Decentralized, thank you for your Euro donation. Thanks, Stone, for your content. I finally got that TI indicator from your website. Thank you, Decentralized. Hope you enjoy it. Hope it makes you lots of money. And yeah, not too many viewers today. I'm only at 975 watching live. That's okay. It's all good. I got one more question. When will you make your first educational webinar? Probably when I get back to the US for like 2 weeks, and then I have to leave US again. So probably over there where I have a nice workstation. We'll see. Definitely not this week because I'm here 2 more days in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of Auckland, New Zealand, great steak last night. Oh man, what was the name of the place we went to? Thank you, PJ. Thank you, Peter, for taking me out for steak last night, and Fred for coming out. Great job. So let me. Oh, birds are being loud. Jesus. What was the? Yeah, shout out to Jarvia's Steakhouse. That was a very good steak. Ordered a 1.3 kilo ribeye. I didn't eat it all myself though. I couldn't. I had some food all day yesterday. But yeah, I ate about half of it. It was good. Very good steak. All right, I got like 5 minutes before I got to go to the workshop. Let's see what else we got. What's the current probability you give to the bottom being in already? I don't know, 15%, 20%. I'll update probabilities when I have time to think. Oh, views on oil. I haven't looked at oil in a while. Let me see. Here's gold. Gold, no opinion. It's going to go back. Once gold goes below the red line, this sucker is going to below $1,000. We can look at oil. I'm just going to look at oil weekly. I'm not going to look at it on a small scale. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow. Oil took a nosedive, huh? Wow. Well, it needs to stay above the setup trend line, and the week's almost over, right? So new week starts tonight on trading. So that's going to be an 8 candle. You already have your reversal candle. So the oil drop is coming to an end. Now, we've already fallen below the prior high, and look for a reversal in oil, but it's going to be short-lived. I think oil is going back to below $20 where it belongs. I mean, we have renewable energy now, guys. Oil is going to go to $10. Oil will be $10 a barrel. It doesn't matter. Like, it's stop reading the books by Stephen Lieb and all the other gloom and doomers that oil is going to be $800,000 a barrel and society will die because of the expensive oil prices. Stop reading nonsense. Oil is going back to $20, maybe lower. So much for inflation, and that's it. Now it's not going to go there tomorrow. I think we bounce in the next couple of weeks. This is the candle I want to see on candles 8, 9, or the following candle. Not my favorite candle at candle number 7. So, but we got a little more room to the downside. I think 50 is a good reversal point, and I think we go up from here. Oh, good call, making me glance at oil. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, if you've been a client of mine or you purchase something, you do get a discount on future workshops, like a 25% discount on future workshops. I have no opinion on CoinGeek. I haven't paid attention. I don't believe Bitcoin would go to 500. Maybe less than 1% chance. 1,000, 1,300, yeah. 500, no. Would a low oil price hurt the strength of the US dollar? No, absolutely not. So US is actually one of the biggest oil exporters. See, what you have to realize is if oil is very cheap, then shit is cheap. It's cheap to fly around the world. It's cheap to move your goods around the world. And when it's cheap for your companies, then your companies do well and your society does well. So having a cheap oil price is not a bad thing. It's a good thing. Guys, there's no seasonality in Bitcoin. Stop using seasonality in Bitcoin. God, so many idiots all over crypto Twitter were saying how Bitcoin always goes up in November, in October through December. That is the stupidest thing I saw. Go back to my videos. I basically called those people idiots. Just because there were 2 years in Bitcoin's life where it actually went up. In 2013, Bitcoin price went up in October and November and December. And in 20 and then in 2017 it happened to be a coincidence that Bitcoin also went up a lot in October, November, and December. So everyone had this stupid seasonality thing going. I told all those people that you can't do seasonality in Bitcoin. Talk to me in 100 years. But it's just so dumb. There's no seasonality in any of this shit. As a swing trader, your best time frames are daily and weekly. That's what you got to come to my workshop. All right, guys. Speaking of workshop, I gotta go. One last quick look at Unconfiscatable. Sorry, the poker registrations are now closed. We may open up a couple of seats. I got to see how many celebrities I got to that need to pay up. And as far as the conference is concerned, 3 tickets left before prices rise. I got a few VIP tickets. Carnivory dinner registration should be coming very soon, and that's it. And that's pretty much it. So there you go. In the workshops, I'm not sure if registrations are already opened for Tyler's and Leah's presentation workshop. And here it is, Lucid Investments. So check it out. You can register. They only have 2 seats left. Oh, 2 seats left at the following price, at 1.15 Bitcoin. I should probably raise my prices. The first 10 seats are 0.1. The next, I don't know, I guess 10 seats were 0.15, 2 left, and then the rest of the seats are going to be 0.2. So please register. All right, guys. I'm going to get going. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.